Hello, is it recording? All right, Randy and Tina coming back at you, and today we are going thrifting. You can go thrifting with us today, and we're going to see if thrifting, specifically Goodwill, can help you pay your bills, or maybe even give you a full-time income. So stay tuned with us, and we are going to thrift away, and then at the end of this video I will put together the comps on each item that we purchased, and we may show a little bit of how we list it and things like that. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back with you. One slight snafu, we're having to turn around and go back to the house because I forgot all the packages we've got to mail out.
Thanks to the wife.
As soon as I turned off the video intro, my wife says, "You got all the packages?" Mm-hmm. And I said, "Nope." So we are headed back to the house, and we're going to pick up all of our packages. So after we do that, then we'll be right back with you. Okay, close the garage door. Now with packages in hand that we got to ship out today, let's try this again. So we're going to head to the post office first, and I think UPS, maybe, I can't remember. Then we'll go thrifting. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. We're at the Salvation Army. We decided to stop at the Salvation Army first. Got my mask on for your protection. So we're going to go in and do some shopping in here and see what we can find. What'd you find there?
This one here.
How much is it? The price here. $4.99. It's like one of them, yeah, I think we'll pass on that. So that turned out to be better than expected for the most part when we got to the cash register. I couldn't really find anything. Did you find anything that stood out?
No.
I know a lot of you are probably going to leave in the comments down there, oh, you passed up those jeans or you passed up those shoes. And if you see that stuff, let me know, because I need to know if I'm missing something here. But what I mean by turning out better than expected, we ended up getting four items.
$9.
And it was $9.04. Because we got half off. So those jeans that I was showing you that were $4.99, we got them for $2.50. Well, I can't do the math in my head, but anyway, we got them half off for $4.99. And I think
you get up there.
Can I go out this way? Yeah, I think I can, maybe. I don't know. And the shirt that was $1.99, we got it for half off. So that's basically 99 cents or 98 cents or something like that. So my wife's just calling out things that are in the area here. So that worked out good. Now we're going to head to this Goodwill. Let me turn the camera around here and show you where we are headed. Right in here in this Goodwill. So that's good. I'm going to turn in front of this car here. And this is the retail store. And I guess they don't have a... I guess retail's all they've got. So we're going to go in here in the retail store and we're going to see what kind of deals we can get in here. But again, everything was half off at the Salvation Army. So that worked out to be really, really, really good. So anyway. So this one ended up being a flop. And don't get me wrong, Goodwill's a great place to shop. Usually the bins is where we like to go, but we thought we'd check out this retail store, the Goodwill retail store here. And I'm not down on Goodwill. Bless their heart, they got to make money. I understand that, but they get all this stuff for free, so it makes you wonder how they come up with some of their prices. But I'll show you some of the footage here of what we seen in there. And what happened was let me know in the comments down below if I'm wrong about this, but a lot of the stuff that and yes, we got our mother-in-law. I got my mother-in-law with me. That's Tina's mama. A lot of the stuff that we were finding in there, when you look up the comps on eBay, it's selling for the same price or less. I'll show you a pair of boots. I think they were camel crown boots. What I found on the comps for used boots, and those look brand new, so don't get me wrong, I could have probably got, I don't know, $49 out of them, maybe $47, but they wanted $30 for them basically. And I know a lot of people out there, and you can tell me in the comments if you're this way, but a lot of people out there, they don't mind if they just make $1 or $2. I try to make at least $10 on an item or more, and you got to consider all eBay fees and everything. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not down in Goodwill, but this Goodwill retail outlet here, I don't know how they got their prices. but stuff was extremely high. I mean, we found jackets in there that retailed for, I'll show you in the thing here, retail for $500, and they were selling for $59. So I guess that's not a bad price, but something like that, it's starting to get springtime. You're going to sit on it all summer probably. And you might get $199 for it. I didn't check the comps on it, but anyway, so that's what we found at this particular Goodwill here. So at this point, let's just go home and go through the 3 items that we got, or 4 items that we got, and look at the comps on them, share them together, see what kind of profit we can make. And so yeah, not a bad day, but not the best day we've ever had. We've had days where we've definitely brought in products that we've made $700, $800, $900 on after we sold them all. So this was just a day out. We just kind of wanted to get out of the house a little bit. So there you go. So we decided to stop and get some lunch at Highway 55, and they were playing oldies music in there. And so for copyright issues, I'm just going to talk over top of it. But you can see how beautiful this place is. We've stopped here before door dashing and decided we'd try it out and eat there. And boy, I tell you what, was their food great. If you have a Highway 55 in your area, I don't know if it's a chain restaurant or if it's just a locally owned restaurant. There's my wife drinking a Pepsi. I don't know if it's locally owned or not. But if you have a chance, stop in there. That's how the kids' meals come. My mother-in-law, Tina's mother, has dementia, and she's 84 years old, so we get her smaller meals because she don't eat a lot. So Tina's trying to show her tongue there is blue because she's been eating candy, but bless her heart. But she really enjoyed it. We really enjoyed it. And boy, was it some good food. Look at that juicy hamburger there. So we really enjoyed it. Okay, so let's go over the few items that we did get today. We got them all at the Salvation Army. And again, surprisingly, because I didn't see a sign anywhere, they were offering 50% off of everything. And I wished I had known that before we went to the cash register, because I would have stockpiled on a bunch of stuff. But I didn't know it. And then by the time I figured it out, we were at the cash register. And so we just left and we were going on to Goodwill, which ended up being a flop, as you all saw. But basically, we got this this jersey here. Now, this is a boy's jersey. It is a jersey that I could not find the comps on. And you can see here, it does have a few spots on it. I'm going to choose not to wash it because sometimes I don't like washing jerseys. Sometimes they can fade on you, and I don't really want to take that risk. So I'd rather the customer wash it. So I always put in the description that, it's got a few spots on it, that they may come out in the wash, and sell it like that. So I've got it on eBay for $9.86. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, you said earlier that you like to make $10 or more per item. Yes, in the majority of the items, I do like to make $10 or more per item. But this one here, after all eBay fees and everything, listing fees and everything, I'll make about $7 profit. So that's not that bad on this particular jersey. Next, we got the jeans. We got the Extreme Motion jeans by Lee. And I looked up the comps on them. I'm going to go through the comps here and show you what I was able to find on those. And I've already pre-recorded this. So I'm going to kind of talk over it. So as you can see here, we got the jeans. And unfortunately, when I listed ours, I didn't rotate the picture, so you'll see them over there. But you got to watch out for brand new. Okay, I just highlighted brand new there. So you got to click on pre-owned. You also need to check the comps and see what you got there. 226 results for those particular jeans. Now we're going to go see how many of them have sold. If more than about 60% have sold, and it has 356 results, so that's well over 100% have sold. So we know that this item will sell very quickly. You want to look for items that have greater than 60%, in my opinion, greater than 60% on the sell to listing ratio. As you can see here, they were selling for anywhere from $18 up to even some of them $29. So I chose to list them at $19.86. This is the listing here. Unfortunately, I forgot to change the rotation, but in this image here, you'll see that they are rotated. So I chose to put them on there for $19.86 with $8.50 flat rate shipping. And so that stands to give us a profit of about $12.92 on these particular jeans. And the other jeans that we got, you'll see here as well, they are the same type of jeans. They are the Lee Extreme. And, I'm sorry, the Lee Extreme Motion. And I listed them also at $19.86, which will bring us the same profit as well. Here is the listing on that particular set of jeans. Here's a listing. I've got them for $19.86. Again, $8.50 shipping. And as you can see there, so we stand to make about $12.96 on both of those on each pair. I'm sorry, $12.92 per pair. So that will be fairly good. Now let me show you the receipt for the day. We actually did only spend $9.04, as you can see here on the receipt. And what that means is we will end up making a total of, when all three products sell, we'll end up making a profit of $32.84. Plus, of course, we get the $9.04 back of what we paid for the products. Well, I say that. That also includes, you've seen that Mickey Mouse item in there. We did find out when we got home that it kind of is broken. I think a clock or something was supposed to go in it. So my wife has chosen to keep it and just display it in her doll cabinet. We have several doll cabinets, and she has Madame Alexander dolls and stuff like that. So she's going to dust it up and clean it up and put it in that doll cabinet because she really likes it. So we'll just say we're in everything $9.04. So we'll get that back plus the $32.84. So $9.04. So we'll have turned this $9.04 into $41.88. That's not bad for a few minutes worth of work. And so there again, to go back to the very beginning of, can you make a living? Can you pay your bills thrifting? Yes, you can. You certainly can. We've proven that, and numerous other people have proven that. So if you are looking to get started in your own business, this is where you should go. And you may not have to go out and buy something. Maybe you don't have the money to go out and buy something right away. Look around your house. See what you can find around your house that you no longer use. Put it up on eBay. Maybe you're a candle maker or a t-shirt designer or whatever. You can put that stuff on eBay as well. eBay works. So anyway, thanks for going thrifting with us today. And be sure to like and subscribe and share this video, because there will be more videos just like this one as we do more thrifting, we do more door dashing, and so on. So we look forward to seeing you and catch you on the flip side.